Alright, what's up guys? It's all the cars here. I'm in the middle of burping my radiator right now. Thought I'd take a video for you. This is the coolant in there. Doesn't look the best. I'm hoping that's not oil. It doesn't smell like oil. It smells weird, but yeah. I'm just burping it right now. You can see air bubbles coming out. Rev it. When I rev it, some air bubbles come out. I still don't know what all that black stuff is. It doesn't look like oil, and my oil is not that dark. Like, my oil looks brand new almost. I don't have oil in or coolant in my oil, so if that is oil, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know what's going on really. It didn't overheat for a couple days after I burped it last time, but then it took a day and just overheated like crazy. Next day it overheated only twice, and I drove a lot. And today it's been overheating non-stop, so I'm just gonna burp it in the school parking lot here. There's something. When it goes up really fast like that, I'm squeezing the hose to help get some of the bubbles out. Just so that, you know. Yeah, I want to do more of this car. Got some huge plans for it in the spring. I really hope this isn't the head gasket. Another thing, hoping I can do some more driving vlogs for you, or just one in general for you guys. Hopefully getting a new phone soon, so enough of this crappy phone camera. Ooh. All that steam there, that's from coolant that I accidentally spilled burning off the radiator. Oh, here's something interesting. I don't know if you can see it down there, but it looks like there's like a puddle on my engine. I don't know what that is. I'm hopefully gonna find out this weekend, because I don't like that. It scares me. Yeah, when I opened my radiator this morning, it didn't really show anything. I mean, it showed stuff in there, but it wasn't a ton, really. I mean, I don't know. I don't know where it's all going. I'm not burning anything. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Sorry about this wind noise, too. It's kind of windy out. Although it's really warm out for December 10. Yeah, it's like 50s, I think. Temperature's staying the same right now. Got my heater on full. Here, I'll show you. There's no smoke or nothing coming out. There's absolutely nothing when I rev it. So I don't think it's burning coolant or anything. I don't know. Subarus are weird. I love this car to death, but it's a love-hate relationship. That's me again. Really hoping it's just an air bubble in here. I don't know, it's so hard to tell. I've heard that it's really hard to get air bubbles out of these too because of the way the thermostat's set up, but we'll see. Huh. Not quite sure what it's doing now. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video right now. Let you guys know what's up with it. Hopefully this helps a little bit at least. I need this car. Bought it for winter, but I mean, obviously there's nothing really. There's no snow and it's like 50 something out right now, so pretty crazy for Michigan. But see you guys for the next video. If you guys have any idea on what this could be, please let me know. If you enjoyed the video and want more, please subscribe. Thank you.